I was meant to say, hi. How did you get in here? You shouldn't say that to me, because I have a baseball bat. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, you reached the Emoji Cat Police Department. What is your problem? There's this freak that came to my party. How are you calling a freak? And she's at my party, so can you please get her out of here? We'll be with you shortly. Thank you, ma'am. FBI, open up. Hi. You should have knocked on my door instead of just break inside. Plus, now she's stealing my cake. Put your hands up. You are under arrest for breaking in and stealing cake. No. 25 minutes later. Wait. I'm gonna be locked in here until you think about what you've done. No! Whoa! Oh, it's lunchtime for all the prisoners. So I'm not the only one here? Oh, seriously, millions of people are here. And all of you get garbage from the garbage bin. Ew. No. I gotta find a way to break out of this place. I have just the thing. A secret hole. Let me go into that secret hole. The police won't find me here, I hope.